Well, greetings everybody. Another crazy day in the markets. The Dow was down 800 points today. So, in any case, we are still on our countdown to the course, which starts next week. So these are our final two free recommendations. Today we ran 15 baskets. We ran them with a correlation of 0.6. Remember, we're doing the same thing we did yesterday. So we're looking for a little bit lesser correlations, but very strong RW coefficients. And then we ran the back test with a minimum of 5 winners and a 5% expectation value up and down. When we did that, we ended up with, what does that look like, about 40 different things to choose from. I went through all of them, and there are at least a couple that really look pretty strong. But the one we're going to go with today is right here. It's UPS versus HTLD. The only thing about these two is that, and that's I'm sure why the correlation isn't as strong, is that UPS is a much larger company than Heartland, okay? But otherwise, the RW coefficient shows that they are affected by precisely the same market factors. So let's take a look at it over in the analysis page. So a great, very active kind of picture, right? This is the kind of motion that we're looking for as pairs traders. So this would indicate a very strong back test, which is what we see, a perfect record in the back test, right? It's been outside the second standard deviation 6 times, returned profitably to the mean 5, and the 6th one is the one that's currently open. So we are going to add this. I think I've actually already added it over to the observe page. So that's a nice picture. Everything looks good here. So this, as you know, the observe page is our watch list. So it is now officially being watched. It's been kind of waffling around here for about, I don't know, 10 days or so. So keep an eye on it, right? If it continues to waffle, you might watch it for a little while. But I think it's got a decent chance of moving down. I think the waffling itself has been slightly down. So let's take a look at it in the hitting probabilities. A very strong mean reversion tendency that we see here. Let's run the Monte Carlo simulation with 10,000 paths. Okay, so it's currently at 6.5, say 6.51, and it is a short, and it's saying that in 30 days we'll be below that price 85% of the time. Now, 85% is a good number in the sense that, yeah, we would certainly be very happy if all of our trades ended up having 85% winning record. But it's not as good as some of the numbers that we see. 85% is still good. The expectation value in 30 days is just under 5%. Let's just call it 5%. So that's actually quite acceptable. That's a good number, a good target number. So getting all the way back to the mean, which is minus 1.48, it's saying we'll get there half the time in 21 bars, the mode being 10 bars. All of these are good numbers. Let's take a quick review. Great picture. It's UPS versus HTLD. We're talking about a ratio of 5.54. The correlation is 0.62, RW coefficient 0.56. Very strong RW coefficient. An absolutely perfect track record. So this is the recommendation of the day. UPS versus HTLD. It is a short. So for every share of UPS that you sell, you're going to buy 5.54 shares of HTLD. Good luck with your trading.